I am currently vlogging with my cellular mobile because, well, I've missed a few days of vlogging because we've been literally moving our stuff from our apartment. Our apartment is now empty. We are now in a hotel for about 10 days. This is the last week of school. I'm excited to show you that process. I don't know when I'm going to be able to do that because this week's extremely busy. I have two 20-minute videos that I have to complete this week for kind of like this conference. Yeah, no idea how I'm going to do that, but I'm going to spend a lot of time today up until Friday to get it done. That's it. I just came on to tell you why you haven't seen the vlogs. For anyone out there that's actually watching, looking, hopefully within the next few days, maybe by the end of this week, I'll be back up and doing my vlogs daily again. Until then, this is just an update. Thanks for tuning in. Stay in the gray area. Peace.